guys, what's up? So today I wanted to show you guys my August Birchbox. I'm sorry if I don't sound as enthusiastic as I usually do. I don't feel that well today, but I wanted to go ahead and get this filmed anyways because I don't want it going up late like the July one did. So anyways, let's get started. This Birchbox is like pretty pastel, like just pretty colors, a nice design. And I've gotten 5 different products, so I will start with this one right here. It is the Acure Organics Radically Rejuvenating Sheet Mask. The full size is $4.99, which I'm pretty sure this is the full size. I don't think you can get a sheet mask not full sized. It's soaked in arganol, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. This mask is the ultimate hydrating and brightening boost. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then massage any excess serum into skin. So it looks pretty cool. I've just recently tried one of these and I really liked it. It wasn't the same brand, but yeah, these are cool. I've actually kind of liked using it. The only thing is I feel really weird because they're so wet and stuff, but I guess that's how you get the moisture. So yeah, this will be fun to try. The next thing that I have here is the Avene Cleanance Expert. The full size is $26. This lightweight treatment simultaneously moisturizes and mattifies, all while reducing redness and preventing future breakouts. Apply to dry skin after cleansing. So yeah, I think this is kind of like another product that I use from Clean and Clear, I think it sounds like. So this will be interesting to try and see if it's like any different from that particular product. I've always just used that one, so this one definitely smells better. It smells less chemically. So yeah, that'll be really cool to test out and see how it compares to the Clean and Clear one that I use. I use the Clean and Clear Persidel if you're wondering. So yeah, it'll be cool to compare. The next one is the, let's see, which one is it? I'm thinking it's this one. It's the number 4 Super Comb Prep and Protect. The full size is $32. It shields your strands from heat damage and UV rays with a sleeving conditioning mist made from natural hydrators like black currant and soy yogurt. Spritz onto hair and then comb. So this is a leave-in conditioner, but it also helps, I guess, with heat protectant and UV rays. So that'll be fun to try. The one that I currently have is just a heat protectant, and then I have other leave-in conditioners. So it'll be interesting to try one that has both. The next thing that I got is I've never known how to pronounce this. It's Oribi? Maybe? It's dry texturizing spray. The full size is $46. Part dry shampoo, part texturizer, this multitasker soaks up oil and gives hair body and bounce. Spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tussle to maximize texture. So I'm excited about this. I really like texturizing sprays, and I have a volume mousse from this brand that's really cool, so I'm excited to try this. Okay guys, so I'm not sure how much you just heard of that, but yeah, this is the Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. The full size is $22, and it says this creamy liquid lipstick in a pink rose shade glides on like gloss, yet lasts like a stain. I'm going to try and make the rest of this video pretty quick because my camera just cut out and said the SD card was full, so I had to delete a few shorter things to make room for the rest of this. So I will need to be getting a new one of those. Hopefully we can afford it because I've just recently gotten married. So I will look into getting another one of those. And yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I love lip stains, and this is like really pretty. So this will be really cool to try. I might actually try it today with this look. But yeah, and I realized that I forgot to kind of tell you guys what's on the card this time. It just says snapshots from summer, and it says soak it in. This month we're savoring the last moments of sweet summertime and reflecting on some highlights from the sun-filled season. And it has this little thing at the bottom, save the date. Customer Appreciation Day is 9/13, and it says we wouldn't be Birchbox without you. That's why we're celebrating our customers, aka you, with a special day filled with exclusive discounts, offers, and freebies, plus tons of surprises. So yeah, that's kind of what I got in the box this time. I'm excited to try the different things. They always send really cool stuff. I love Ipsy, but Birchbox I feel like sends sometimes better stuff, so I'm actually considering not doing Ipsy another year. Let me know if you guys actually enjoy Ipsy, and I might continue it, but otherwise I think I might end up dropping that one this year. So anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and go find me on Insta and stuff and follow me there. Then you'll know when I upload new videos, as well as hit the little notification bell on my videos. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye guys!